Hello everybody and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Poppy, and today we're going to be playing What's in the Underwater Box.
Okay, so the aim of the game is we have to figure out what is in the fish tank, in the water, by just feeling it. And we have an assistant off screen who will be handing things to us. What's your biggest fear of something that can be put in? Crabs.
I know there's not going to be any like living crabs in the box, but I just have it in my head. Like I have the fear of the crab. Like
yeah, worms would be my ultimate. Even spaghetti, I would hate it. Anything similar to worms, it's not going to be fun. Okay, you ready?
Let's say yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's go. Okay, so I am going to go first. So I'm not going to look. So you're going to be handed the thing.
Oh,
and you put it in the water. And I can't. Tell me when.
I'm not really sure what reaction to make. Okay. Okay.
That entered the water really quietly, which I don't know why that disturbs me more. So I've just got to look away.
Yeah, just don't look.
Oh my God. What?
I know. It's hard. It's a hard one.
Why is it? Is it plastic? It's something plasticky. Wait, I've broken a bit off. Have I broken it? Have I broken it?
No, but you've dropped it.
This comes apart.
Yeah. Just think.
Is that if I just destroy the whole thing?
But you can't really destroy it. Things are breaking away from it.
What's breaking away?
The thing that it is.
Was it alive? Because it's not anymore, I'm guessing.
It's not alive.
Breaking a plastic, like a hair grip or something.
Well, it's quite hard. Can you just pick up what you've dropped and, you know.
It's just like little squiggles, little plastic squiggles. Is it noodles? Like pasta?
Yes! It's pasta!
Oh my God!
Look,
it's destroyed. Oh, I'm so sorry. All the water's really murky now. We might need to redo it. Okay, right. I think I'll only get half a point for that one.
Yeah, I think that should be 0.
Right, so we've given the water a bit of a freshen up.
Yes, it was a bit murky.
It was
a bit murky.
Okay, so it's your turn.
Okay. Do I need to close my eyes?
Close your eyes. And then we've got... Ooh,
I feel so nervous.
Okay.
Is it ready?
Oh, it is ready.
I'm sorry, I'm so nervous.
Don't be nervous. This is a joy.
No, I'm so nervous. I can't, I'm so scared. What is that?
Have you found anything?
What is that?
Go on.
No, what is it? No. No, I don't like it. What is it? It's not.
You shouldn't touch it first.
It's not alive.
It's not alive.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry, I haven't put like real goldfish in or anything.
It's gonna be like.
You're doing really well.
What is that?
So just like with the pasta nest, there's more than one in there if you want to maybe have a go if you venture around.
Is that like slime or goo?
It's not slime or goo. It's in it.
No! I didn't mean to do
I would say you're in the right ballpark with the whole slime
goo
thing. It's not very current. Lots of people really have a bit of an obsession with these.
Is it squishy?
Yeah!
Really?
Yeah? No, you have to look at it. It's so cute. Look, it's a little swimming pool of squishies.
Oh my
God. It's
God.
the cutest thing.
Okay, I was so nervous.
We have
I can't
cloud,
even.
Got a little dog.
Oh. Okay, so I'm on 1 point. Sarah's on half a point, so that puts me in the lead. But it's Sarah's go now, so you know we're gonna see what happens here. Right.
Okay.
Are you?
I'm ready. I mean, I'm not ready. Okay.
I'm nervous for you.
Okay, look.
Okay. This is fairly...
And wait, is it in?
No. Just for effect. Okay, right, you can go.
I almost don't like the careful way you put them in the water, as though like care needs to be
Very
taken
careful.
about.
Well, if it's alive, so you need to be very
Oh, it's down. Why do I always have to dive for everything? Feels like seaweed.
Seaweed?
It does feel like seaweed. Rubber glove.
No.
It's a JoJo bow.
Yeah!
I can't believe I got that.
Yeah, I thought if you felt the clip bit, maybe you would.
Right, ready? You'll go?
I'm ready. Actually, I'm not, but...
Okay. This is very exciting.
Strange noises.
Me and Tom must have... Okay.
What was that?
Don't let the bubbles concern you, it's fine.
Bubbles? Why are there
Well,
bubbles?
things have to breathe.
Don't! Sorry, I didn't see anything, but don't... Oh, that scared me.
Okay. All right, go.
Has it gone to the bottom?
It's sort of midway.
Why is my hand red?
It's all over the shop. Because you're looking. Stop looking.
No, but I can't see anything. I can't see
Go,
anything.
other hand, look away.
Oh, what was that? Sorry, what was that? What was that? No. What is
Yeah.
what? Is that like part of a tree? You know those trees? They're pine trees. It's like a
Like a
pine.
Christmas tree.
Yeah.
It's not a Christmas tree.
What? That's something with hair. It's like a Barbie doll. What is that? Why is it so heavy? Is it a troll?
No.
Okay.
I mean, you're on the way.
Okay, at least it's not alive.
Yeah, it has gone a bit limp.
What? It weighs like...
It's waterlogged.
What? Is that a wig?
Yes.
Oh my! That was heavy.
Is gross, isn't it? That is horrible.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, keep your eyes. Okay. Ready?
Hairbrush.
Yes! That was, to be fair, that wasn't that hard.
And this is quite a nice one. Look
Yeah,
at that.
it's a
It's got
tangle
little
teaser.
dogs on it.
It's cute, isn't it?
Looks like it's got a USB port in it as well. Look at this.
Charge your phone while brushing your hair.
Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
No, don't make, no. No, don't say, no commentating.
Ooh. All right. There you go.
Can I open my eyes?
You can open your eyes. You can go.
Oh, no, hang on.
You can do it.
It's, don't. What is that? What? I can't feel anything.
Forward. There. Left. There you go.
Oh, that's slime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa!
What does it feel like in water? Whoa. Oh, that's weird.
What?
How do you... I'm surprised you managed to catch that, actually. That is slippery, guys.
That's making my hands feel weird. You're not looking.
I'm not looking. It splashed me! Is it ready?
That was for effect.
Is it done?
Yep.
Oh. Where'd it go? Oh. It's a kiwi. That is weird.
How
I
did
don't even eat kiwis.
How did you get? Oh, because they're like furry,
They
kind
are
of.
furry. That is weird.
Let's go.
Oh, right.
Why does it sound like that?
It's nice, isn't it?
No.
Okay. All right, you go.
Oh my god, what? No, what is that?
I can't tell you, ruin the game.
I can't, I don't know what that is. I'm sorry.
Do you want us to change the game
I can't, I felt
what's
like
in the box to tell Bobby what's in the box?
No, I can't, it felt like that, like, touched me.
You touched it. It's far more afraid of you than you are of it.
Don't say that, it doesn't have feelings unless it's alive. Oh no! If this is like a fish, if this is a fish, no, I can't.
If it's a fish, it'll be really happy because it's in its home, and then I'll get really mad because you're poking it.
I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
It's not a fish.
Well, I can't. What is it?
Not a fish.
I don't care. Is it alive?
No, it's not alive.
Don't do that face! What does that mean? Ah, no! I forfeit the point. I can't do it. I can't do it.
You're gonna kick yourself.
What is it?
Have a look.
It feels like it's alive. What? Look, touch that. That's so scary.
Okay. Oh, it's my go. Right.
I hope you get one as mean as.
Is it? Is it? Oh.
Okay, you can go. Oh, I can smell it.
What, the broccoli or this?
I'm not going to say, I just can smell something. Okay, you're going to need to go all the way down to the bottom.
Is it stuck? Oh, this is tofu or something. Jelly.
Yeah.
That felt really cool.
I don't eat jelly. Like I haven't had jelly in years. Absolutely.
It's got essence of pasta on it.
Okay.
All right, ready? Oh, this is the last one.
Oh no.
Don't worry, you can.
Don't.
Okay, it's sunk. It's sunk. So
okay.
You have to dive for it.
I don't really want to go all the way. Sorry, I don't really want to go. Oh, what is? I'm gonna jump when I touch it. I just know.
I need to sit back. I'm gonna get soaked.
What? Is that a lime or a lemon?
No.
Oh, it's an avocado.
Yes. Well done. I thought you would find that one worse than the broccoli.
Because when you know it's like you know it's a circle shape, you're okay.
You're fine with everything circular. The final score was.
I mean, I was given the broccoli, which is unfair because the broccoli feels like a reptile and it was very scary. So thank you for watching that video. We hope you enjoyed it. It was a good challenge. It was a good game.
It was. I mean, my trousers are soaking wet.
Yeah.
I've had to wipe my hands on them so much, but
definitely.
No
Me too. But definitely try it at home. It's so much fun. Like, I really enjoyed it. So make sure you subscribe to the Girl Talk channel if you haven't already and check out the rest of our videos. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye.